But what if this doesn't work? Then what?
Trust me, it's gonna work. It's a foolproof plan.
Okay.
Many of my wives did it to me. It's gonna work.
I mean, you are a professional in this, right? Like, you have a degree?
Exactly, I have a PhD. That's why they call me Dr. Phil.
Woo!
All rise. Hello, viewers, and welcome back to Judge Judy. Maddie is suing Dr. Phil for $99 billion for malpractice. Here's Maddie's story.
8 months ago, in therapy, Dr. Phil told me I should start a family to keep my boyfriend. However, he left me, and I'm single and pregnant and broke, and I really need this money, and being a woman in today's society is hard enough, and now I'm pregnant, I don't even...
And Dr. Phil, what do you have to say about this?
Well, you see, after 60 years of doing my show, no one has actually listened to my advice. So, the one time someone actually does, this happens. In my opinion, she's a total whack job. And she didn't have to listen to my advice, but she did. And that's her fault, not mine. And I believe her boyfriend left for a reason.
Order. The jury has decided. After careful review, the court has decided. Dr. Phil is guilty.
Woo!
1, go.
Against you in court.
My mustache falling off.
You getting mad? I'm getting rich.